A brilliant way to reduce mosquitoes around your patio. I always prepare this simple trap before the evening starts. I hang it a few yards away from where we sit, and for the rest of the night, I can finally relax in peace. All you need is a regular plastic bottle. Cut it about 1/3 of the way down. Then trim the top part a little more to create a clear funnel shape. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the bottom. The sweet scent attracts mosquitoes because it reminds them of natural energy sources like flower nectar. Next, flip the top part of the bottle upside down and place it neck first into the bottom section to form a simple funnel. Use a heated soldering iron to make 2 small holes near the top of the bottle. Prepare a fairly long piece of string. Thread it through the holes and tie a loop so the trap can be hung easily. Then prepare the bait using a cheap hoppy drink, which releases a strong fermented smell that attracts mosquitoes. Pour it into the bottle. This combination creates a powerful scent that works like an odor trap and draws mosquitoes in from far away. Hang the finished bottle on a tree or fence a few yards away from where you are sitting. The sweet smell attracts mosquitoes very effectively, and once they fly inside, they can't escape. That way, you can enjoy your evening on the patio without annoying bites or mosquitoes buzzing around. Place a stick into a cola bottle and you'll create something extraordinary. Take an empty cola bottle or any drink bottle and a cotton swab. Cut the cotton swab near the cotton part. Use a screwdriver to make a small hole in the bottle cap. Insert the stick into the cap so that the cotton part is outside the bottle. Apply glue around the stick to make sure it's securely attached to the cap and wait for it to dry. Once dry, unscrew the bottle and fill it halfway with water. Take rubber bands and place 3 at the bottom and 3 at the top. Now, insert 3 long skewers along the bottle under the rubber bands. This will hold them in place. You've just created an amazing watering device for your plants. The cotton tip will slowly drip water, providing the plant with the right amount. This homemade irrigation system is a great way to care for your plants, even if you forget to water them regularly or plan to be away for a long time. Use a plastic bottle in a clever way. Cut off the top part near the cap. This simple piece can turn into a handy tool. Pouring products from a plastic bag can be tricky, often leading to spills. But here's a smart trick. Take the cut-off bottle top and pull the bag with dry ingredients through the opening, leaving the ends sticking out. Now you can control the amount you pour without making a mess. When you're done, simply screw the cap back on, sealing the bag tightly. No spills, no waste, just a quick and practical solution. Give it a try. A simple trick to separate egg yolks from whites. All you need is a plastic bottle. Gently squeeze the bottle, place it over the yolk, and release it into another bowl. The yolk is instantly sucked into the bottle, leaving the egg white behind. Quick, clean, and mess-free. Need an easy way to seal plastic packaging? Place a knife along the opening, fold the plastic carefully over it, and heat the edge. The plastic will melt together, creating an airtight seal. This keeps your food fresh longer, preventing spills and moisture. Simple, fast, and effective. Tie a bottle to a tree. This one problem will disappear for good. It delivers fantastic results. Prepare a tall container. Pour in about 7 fluid ounces of apple cider vinegar. Its strong scent spreads quickly and works as a powerful attractant. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap, which helps everything combine and makes it more effective. Add about 3 fluid ounces of water and mix thoroughly. Let me know where you're watching from. Take an empty bottle and pour the mixture into it. Use a soldering iron to make a few small holes, or make them in the cap. Close the bottle, tie a string around it, and trim the excess. Hang the bottle on a tree or branch where insects like flies, fruit flies, or mosquitoes appear. This is an effective way to get rid of insects in your garden. It's also a simple homemade solution for flies and ants. Apple cider vinegar works as a natural bait for fruit flies, attracting them into the trap. Once they get inside, they won't be able to escape. In a short time, you'll notice fewer and fewer insects. I put it in the molehill, and the moles flee from the garden. Just 2 things are enough to keep them away. When you see molehills, act immediately. First, grab an empty plastic bottle. You'll also need a drill and a stick. Use the drill to make a hole at the bottom of the bottle so the stick can pass through and hold it in place. Next, take a marker and draw 4 rectangles on the bottle, leaving one long side uncut. These will be your cutting lines. Use a utility knife or scissors to cut along the lines. Fold the cutout rectangles outward as shown in the video. Press them at the base so they don't bend back into place. Now, insert the stick through the hole at the bottom of the bottle, and you're ready to go to the garden. When you open a molehill, you'll see a tunnel inside. Brush your dog and collect the fur. Don't throw it away. Instead, place some in each molehill. Moles avoid dogs, and the scent of fur will keep them away. Additionally, use the bottle. When the wind blows, it spins and makes noise. Placed in the molehill, it will scare the moles away. This simple trick will help you get rid of moles in your garden. An experienced gardener shared this year-round method for growing garlic with me. Take a fairly large plastic bottle and cut off the top at about 3/4 of its height. Unscrew the cap and make a small hole in the center using scissors. Take a strip of paper towel and thread it through the hole in the cap. Pull it through the neck of the bottle and screw the cap back on. Place the top part upside down into the bottom to create 2 levels. Fill the upper section with potting soil, cover it well, and lightly moisten it with water. Peel several garlic cloves and place them fairly close together in the soil until the surface is evenly filled. When everything is ready, pour a generous amount of water into the lower section and set the prepared top part with the garlic inside it. Lightly mist the soil and cloves to ensure proper moisture. This creates a self-watering bottle planter that will gradually supply water to the soil. The strip of paper towel slowly transports water from the lower reservoir into the soil. Place the bottle on a windowsill so it gets natural light. With this method, you'll quickly see how to grow garlic chives at home. You'll gain a steady supply of fresh, aromatic greens for sandwiches, salads, and hot meals. It's the easiest way to grow garlic at home using a bottle. Heat a fork over a flame and get rid of the problem once and for all. Use the hot fork to make many small holes in the upper part of a plastic bottle, about 1/3 of the way down. Then trim off the top of the bottle with a knife. From the bottom section, leave about 5 centimeters and cut off the rest to create a small container. Pour in 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which absorbs moisture and neutralizes odors. Add 1 bay leaf and 5 cloves. Bay leaf and cloves have an intense aroma that repels moths and ants. Close the container using the top part of the bottle. Place it wherever insects appear most often. It works especially well near dry goods such as flour, sugar, groats, or rice, where moths and other pests are commonly attracted. You can also place it near fruit, where fruit flies often gather. This is a simple way to get rid of fruit flies. A good spot is also near the sink, where moisture and food residue tend to collect. The natural aroma of the mixture will gradually be released and effectively discourage pests from staying in these areas. It is a simple, homemade way to keep insects out of the kitchen.